Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your smartboard feeder camera has stopped responding, won't connect to the app, keeps going offline, or you're preparing it for a new Wi Fi network, performing a reset is often the quickest way to start fresh. Many people immediately begin changing app settings or repeatedly trying to reconnect, but if the camera's previous network information is still stored, those attempts may not work. A proper reset clears the saved connection, puts the camera back into pairing mode, and allows you to set it up again just like it's brand new. In this video, I'll show you the reset process you can try before moving on to more advanced troubleshooting. 1. Power on the camera and keep it charged during the reset. 2. Press and hold the reset button until the status light changes or begins flashing. 3. Wait for the camera to restart completely. 4. Open the companion app and select Add Device. 5. Reconnect the camera to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. 6. Verify the live view and motion detection after setup is complete.